Are you looking for a new and exciting way to enjoy the snow and great outdoors? Whether you are looking for a solo adventure or a fun family activity, snowmobiling has something to offer for everyone. Today, I would like to introduce you to the world of snowmobiling. Let's get start the video. Number 5, Yamaha Sidewinder LTX GT EPS. The Sidewinder LTX GT EPS has earned a reputation among seasoned, high-mileage riders for its rock-solid performance and practical comfort. The addition of Yamaha's Variable Electric Power Steering (EPS) rewrites the definition of a top trail performance snowmobile. Loaded with premium features such as Fox QS3 shocks, electronic power steering and Yamaha's 998 cubic centimeters turbo mill engine, ORCS front suspension and 20 tunnel bag. The new Yamaha designed single keel ski strikes. A heated visor DC RCA outlet is accompanied by a DC socket style plug to power up devices simultaneously. Features like a heated seat, full windshield and ample storage bring it home. The medium smoked polycarbonate windshield was designed to shield the high-mileage rider from the coldest days. It cost about $18,399. Number 4, Arctic Cat Riot 9000. Thrill of trail riding and the excitement of deep snow. The new Riot 9000 EPS is equipped with everything you need to find it, including the most powerful stock turbocharged engine available. Add an electronic power steering, EPS, and an ATC adjustable on-the-fly suspension, and you've got a crossover experience. Riot is a special blend of trail and backcountry performance, giving crossover riders the versatility they crave. With a rugged suspension and 2 robust powertrain options, including a new turbocharged engine, Riot is built to take it all on every kind of ride. Riot hits the perfect blend of crossover performance thanks to a combination of the ARS-2 front suspension and the uncoupled 146 inches cross-action rear suspension. Push button to start and LED headlight features included the CTC4 9000 series turbo triple cylinder 4-stroke. The rush of 200 plus maximum horsepower. It cost about $21,299. Number 3, Polaris Patriot Boost Indy VR 1.137. The Indy VR 1.137 features superior versatility and comfort with the industry-leading speed and power of the Patriot Boost. The SnowCheck exclusive Indy VR 1 is built on the Rider-First Matrix platform, delivering ferocious acceleration, effortless control and intelligent technology. The available Patriot Boost engine delivers power than the 850 Patriot, and is up to 110 pounds lighter. Ultra-premium WER velocity shocks, race-inspired IFS and proven Pro-CC rear suspension combine to create the best handling trail sled ever. Technology is built around the rider, including the Ride Command 7S display featuring full-color, touchscreen and GPS display and also vehicle-to-vehicle tracking with or without cellular. Smart warmers, electronically controlled hand warmers, and all-new intuitive left hand controls. Track customization to suit riding style and terrain. Options include the Ice Ripper XT, Cobra, and Storm 150, and R-rated race spec Trax LED lighting provides excellent visibility and increases the overall safety for night riding. It cost about $16,799. Number 2, Lynx Xterrain RE. Extremely sporty adventure snowmobile for demanding trails and soft snow. 2 hugely powerful engines, the Rotax 850 ETC 2-stroke, or the Rotax 900 ACE Turbo, are 4-stroke that cranks out a hefty 180 horsepower. Featuring a longer version of the PPS3 independent rear suspension and the LFS Plus front suspension and delivers flat, fast cornering and total confidence on rough, choppy trails. Xterrain RE is the first 146-inch 4-stroke crossover with real mobile banging capability. The long suspension travel and independent operation of the 2 suspension arms allows active riders to shift their weight to nail everything from the harshest bumps to the tightest curves. On both the front and rear suspension, you'll find 46mm KYB Kashima-coated HLCR shock absorbers with both high and low speed compression adjustments and rebound in all 4 shocks. Smart warmers, electronically controlled hand warmers are included. The combination of the 146-inch track length and the 2 lug height is perfect for crossover riders who want deep snow capability, but without sacrificing any performance on the trails. It cost about $17,699. Number 1, Ski-Doo MXZ Neo Plus. MXZ Neo Plus built in a compact size sled with features ideally fitted for new riders or smaller people. The MXZ Neo employs the 40 HP version of the Rotax 600 EFI 2-stroke. The MXZ Neo Plus models are built on the advanced REV Gen 4 platform and come with 55 horsepower. The HPG front shocks hand guard the low mountain strap. MXZ Neo models get the same advanced suspension technology as full-size models with the RAS-X front end for superior, flat cornering and precise, confident tracking. It's got a Pilot 5.7 skis, and Neo rear suspension is lightweight, strong, and durable. EFI motor. This does have a 146-inch track 1.75-inch lug. LED lighting provides excellent visibility and increases the overall safety of the snowmobile. The digital display provides a range of information, including speed, fuel level, navigation and engine performance, to help you stay informed while riding. It cost about $7,199. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay on update. See you in the next one.